Hi friends, this video shows how to install unknown app. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to privacy. Go down. Set security. Here you can see two options. Scan apps with Play Protect. Improve harmful app detection. If you are enabled harmful app protection option, device will automatically send unknown app to Google for better scanning. Then Google says you cannot install this app because this is an unknown app. If you are trying to install unknown app, better turn off this option. You can also turn off this first option, turn off these two options, then you can install unknown app. It should work. So this way we can install unknown app. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.